Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We got a very short grain hopper train. Let's roll it and check it out. Just got it in. Yep, that's kind of a short one right here for the grain train. Heading towards track 2. It's nothing but grain hoppers right here at the Rynd farm station. So, assemble on that train, the OC&T 42M. That train originates to Titusville, Pennsylvania, to Rouseville, Pennsylvania, heads north to Titusville, Pennsylvania, where it terminates on this very cold Thursday, December the 12th, 2024, from the Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Pretty good, though. Well, it's kind of short for the grain hopper train, and I just got it in time. So, alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with this longer grain hopper train comes by. The same grain hopper train like we saw back at Perry Street, back in the first train of the day. Talk to you later.